So here on this Mini, we have quite decent paint, okay? We're all good, everything's all nice. And then on the back, we have got this, where somehow this boot is just a bit flat. And here, it's not fun at all. So somehow I've got to fix that. First step, mask off the badge, and then use one of them. Mask. Stick down out of the way. Perfect. Right, now mask this, 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 and then all the edges too. I don't want to get it on anything else. Okay, so I've masked up. All right, these will be absolutely fine. I'll tuck those in. That's that all masked up. Now I'm just going to get the corners here and just put a bit of paper up around the edges so that it covers it all. But that's the edge done, and that will just leave this panel ready. And some light sandpaper on this just to give it a bit of a key, get all the crap off it, and then blast it with a bit of primer, I think. Yeah. All right, it's a nice little key along it now. Okay, I'm not going all the way to the bottom because the bottom paint's absolutely fine. I'm just going to blend that in somehow. Yeah, and there we go. We are masked. Paper and masking and paper. Now, let's give it a dusting then, eh? Yeah. And I've given it a little light dusting of primer there, and then knocked it back a little bit with a little bit of paper, and then wiped it off. Now it's just a first coat dusting. Do for the first one. All right, coat number 1 is on. Just drying. Not going to look great right now, but a couple of coats and then some lacquer. Looking smart. And there's the first coat of clear. So a couple more coats of that and we should be looking shiny and ready. Happy days. And here is my last coat of clear. So we'll just go in halfway along. And then this side. Using a well-ventilated area. Beautiful. All right, in a second, the dullness that you see there will come back to a shine. We should be good. These lines you're seeing is a reflection of that. So, okay, then I can whip all this crap off, and we're going to have a nice, freshly painted boot. Happiest of days. There you have it. Shiny as you like. It's a good job. Good job jobbed. Just buff this up now. And it'll look grand. Happy.